Hello everyone. In the last lecture, we have discussed the size group where we have discussed the conditional formatting and then how to apply the formatting options to a table and different cell styles. So in this lecture, we are going to see about the editing group. From the home tab, we are going to see about the editing group, in which we are able to see the auto sum option, then field drop down. We have actually learned about the field series in the previous lecture, how to fill the series, but it is there in this editing group also. Then we will see the clear option, then sort and filter and find select. So let us start this practically. So in the editing group, we have auto sum, fill series, clear option, and then sort and filter and find and select. So I have one table or data with me consisting of roll number, name and mark. These are the name of the students and having these marks. So I'm going to make it dark, or I'm going to apply the normal table. So now it is readable, the values are. So these are the marks of the students and name of students, roll number of the students. We will see how can we apply the auto sum option. So for that, we select this race. We are going to calculate the total of all these marks in this cell. So select all these and select this cell where we want to calculate the total and click on the auto sum option. So it is showing you the total of all the marks in this. Likewise, we can apply the total. Similarly, we can apply the average option. We can able to calculate the average. To put a cursor over here, and if you click in this arrow, you are able to see the various options: sum, average, counting number, maximum, minimum. So we are going to see all these options. So let us calculate the average. So for average calculation, I am selecting all these, and I'm going to delete temporarily, and I'm selecting this. I'm selecting this average cell, and then I'm selecting this average option, and it will give you the average, that is 53.1. So if I put here, so as we know, this total is 531, and if I am selecting this whole, so this 531 is also coming inside calculation of average. So that's why I have deleted it. So this is what the average of all the marks with this total 531. So if I am selecting this average, it is showing me 96 point something. So that is why I have deleted this, and suppose I am deleting this, the average is now 53.1, because this is the average of all these marks. Now, similarly, we are going to see about the count option. Count. So put cursor here and select, and then click here, and then click on this option called as count. So we know, as we see here, there are 10 rows. So the count is 10. Now I am deleting this, and I will calculate the maximum. So again, select all these cells and up to this maximum cell, and click on this maximum option. So it will give you the maximum mark. The maximum mark from all these cells 80. So likewise, we can perform, just drag and select. Now minimum. So for minimum also, you select this and click on the minimum option. The minimum is 25. So likewise, we can able to calculate the total, average, count, maximum and minimum. If you click, put a cursor over here and you can see in the formula bar that is equal to mean of. The formula applies like this, equal to mean of F8 to F21. So equal to mean of F8. So this is our cell number F8 and this is our cell number F17, F21. But there are no cell columns over here. So if you want to apply this minimum and the formula is equal to minimum of F8 to F21. So it is taking F21 up to this. I can change the formula like this. I'm writing now equal to mean in bracket. You can type a range. Suppose this is our first cell, then colon, and then last cell. First cell is F8 up to F17, and then close the bracket and then insert. So this is what minimum we can able to find out by the from the given cells. And how can we type it? You can put cursor over here, type equal to min, then bracket, type a cell number or range, and then close the bracket and enter. So 25 is the minimum number out of these. So the range is from F8 to F17. So this is another way of calculating the minimum. The first way is just you drag here, drag and select the mean option. This is also possible, but make confirm that there should not be anything between this. Otherwise, it will consider this cell for calculation of minimum. So this is another way. Now I am going to do for same for maximum. So equal to max in bracket F8 colon F17, then bracket close. So this is how also we can able to calculate the maximum. So max is 80. Suppose I am changing this 37 to 90. Now you look at this. The marks are 90, which is the maximum from all these marks. Similarly, for minimum, if I am changing this 25 to 15, the marks are 15, which is a very minimum number out of this marks. So once we return a formula for a particular cell and though the values are being changed, it is applied by considering the edited values or changed values. So this is how maximum and minimum is counted or calculated. Now for count, similarly, you can also select these cells and then click the count function from here. It is also possible. And another way is just write equal to. You can write the equal to symbol. Select the cell and you type here in the formula bar also by writing here equal to count and then bracket. Now you can give the range that is F8 to F17 and then bracket close. Now the count is 10. So likewise we can able to apply the count. So this is another method. For average also, as I told you before, you just select it and click on the average button over here and it will calculate the average. This is the one way, and another way is just write here equal to AVE. As soon as you start typing, it is showing you the formula available there, AVE, RAVE, and bracket F8 colon F17 and then close the bracket and enter. So this is how the formula average can be applied. So equal to average F8 to F17. Now the average is, because I have changed this value, 90. It was 80 previously. So it is 57.4. Similarly for total, either you select all this and select this button sum Or there is another method just equal to sum in bracket F8 colon F17 and then close the bracket and press the enter. This is also another method for calculation of sum. And so we have completed this auto sum having this all the options sum, average, count number, max, min. So there are more functions available that we will see while we are going to learn about when we are going to learn about the formula tag. So for this auto sum, we have seen all the 5 functions: sum, average, counting, maximum, and minimum. So next topic, what is our next topic? Besides this fill auto sum option, we have the fill option. So actually we have covered it when we are covered the filling series. But okay, I will tell it again. So filling means, say for example, I am typing here something and selecting this and click on the down option. So, the same will be applied to the down. And suppose I am selecting this and then clicking on the right option, so it is applied right. Similarly, I am selecting and clicking on the up and same for left. So likewise, you can you apply the fill option. So we have already seen the series options. You can watch the previous videos for this. Next option is clear. So we have clear all, clear format, clear content, and clear comment. So clear all. So it will clear all the things that we have in our Excel worksheet. It will be clearing all the things. So I'm selecting this. If you want to select some particular thing, then select this and then clear all. So clear. Next we have deleting of formatting. So clear format. All the formats are now being cleared and the text is a plain text without any font, without any specific font and without any specific font color. So that is how we can clear a format option. Then clear content, so it will contain, delete all the content. Clear comment. Suppose I am selecting this and clicking on the clear content, the contents are being deleted and I am doing now Control Z. So clear content. Next is clear comment. So for this particular cell, I am applying some comment. So how can we apply it? Right click over here, insert comment, internal mark. Internal mark is a comment I have given here for this particular cell. And if I want to delete it, select this and click on the clear comment. So it is now clear. Suppose there are more than 2 comments available here. So I am again inserting comment for this. Insert comment, internal mark, insert comment, student name. So now we have 2 comments and suppose I am selecting this and clicking on this clear comment. So all the comments that we have applied will be cleared or cleared. So this is the option having various, this is a clear button having various options: clear all, clear format, clear content, and clear comment. So we have completed auto sum button with all these 5 options. Then we have completed fill option. Regarding series, watch the previous videos that we have already covered inside that. Then we have discussed about the clear. Next is sort and filter. So sort and filter. So let us apply this on this particular table. So I am going to control X and pasting over here. To sort and filter, so select this and select sort from smallest to largest. Table and select sort option from smallest to largest, but it is not getting applied because it is considering the roll number column for doing the sorting, so it is already sorted order. So if you want to do the sorting as per the mark, you have to select this option called as custom sort. If you select the custom sort, it is giving you the various columns. Now I am selecting marks column, start sort on value, smallest to largest. Now you can see over here, the mark column is sorted from smallest to highest, with the name is also being, it is applied to the name column besides that. Look at this. So the for roll number marks 80 was for Yash Patil. So look at this. Now it is not applied for roll number column, it is applied for marks column. So for that you select this and you select custom sort. Select this and select custom sort. Select roll number and then largest to smallest. Click on OK. Now it is sorted as per the roll number column because we have selected it in a custom sort and it is applied descending order, that is largest to smallest. Similarly, the marks are being uh, changed. The respective name of that particular mark has also been applied. So it is applied for name as well as marks column, but the sorting is done on roll number because we have selected here. Select the custom sort option. Then select the name wala column, name column, and click on Z to A. Now you can see now it is applied on a particular name column. As in alphabetical ordering B comes means previous A B, so likewise it is being applied. So I'm doing Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Now this is what the sorting is applied. So regarding filter option, so sort and filter. So sort the currently selected data or current region in ascending or descending order, and lets you add filters to reduce the number of visible rows. So regarding filter, I am going to take it in the next lecture because it is also available in the data tab. So whenever I am going to take data tab, you can see the filter option at that time. Now we are discussing the sorting only. Okay. Next is find and select. So find and select option is available here in the editing group. You can find, replace, go to pressure, formulas, comments, data validation. So for that, select find. Now I am going to change this 80 marks of Yash Patil and going to replace it with 45. So it is finding find all. If you click on the find all, it is showing you the cell number, sheet 1 and F8. Look at this, F8, cell number F8 is having the 80 value. And if I am selecting replace, it is being replaced by 45. So similarly, you can use this find and replace for replacing the numbers as well as text. Suppose I am doing Control Z now. Now I am going to change Patil name or this name column. Find a name and replace with student name. So you can see over here the replacement is done. So the name of that column name is now changed to student's name. So this is the use of find and replace. Consider there are 1,000 pages in one document. So that will be applied for all the 1,000 pages applied in a one document. So find and replace is so useful for these things. Go to, if you select. Okay, so that's all for this video regarding go to and go to special. We will see later on. So thank you. Regarding we have discussed about the find and replace. Regarding go to and go to special, we will see later on. Thank you.